Hey, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create AI animate photo using Lexica.ai. Lexica is a AI image generator you can use for free. It's absolutely free of cost. At first, I'm going to Lexica.com. Then here are a type example of Messi. You know, Messi is a top popular footballer in the world right now. So I'm type Messi. You can see here is a suggest lots of Messi image. Actually, this image, 90% match for original Messi. I click this one. This is a really cool and a beautiful picture actually. So another one, this is a really good. I like it because this AI Lexica AI suggest me lots of image for Messi. This is actually match. So I type another one, Kylian Mbappe. You know, Kylian Mbappe is a France a footballer, and you can see this 100% match for original Mbappe. This one, I click this one. Oh, really nice. Another one. So I'm going to another one. Example of some type Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is a hero in India. They actually create lots of movie. This photo match 80% because this photo is 90% match and this is 90%. Actually, Lexica AI is a free tool. You can generate any photo and any celebrity photo and any others photo. Example of art, AI art. Example of this one. So I copy prompt, then go to generate. Monster Hunter Jungle, and it's realistic. Oh my god, you can see Lexica create 4 image for me, actually for art. This is really cool because this is awesome photo. And if you want to create another one, oh my god, this one, if you want to download this photo, just click here, download. Oh, this is a HD color photo. So this video, and now if you are new viewers in this channel, please subscribe my channel and turn on bell icon and like the video. Thank you very much.